Hey, welcome to the practical lessons on site setup. It's going to be a 2-part long video. That's because this is a subject that's quite specific, where you need to pay very close attention. But with these practical videos, you're going to be able to follow along while I build the site from scratch alongside with you. So, like I said, I'll divide this practical part in 2 parts. The first being the setup of your site. So from the purchase of the domain to the hosting to connecting them both with each other and installing WordPress. Okay. Again, there are several platforms. The best known being Wix, Weebly, and WordPress. But we're going to be using WordPress, like I said, which is the most intuitive one and the most used, and it's also totally free. Now, the second part, this is the more technical part where you need to pay very close attention, and this is the most important part of the two. Okay, so you'll be able to see exactly what I'm doing, as well as all the techniques and little things you have to do in order to build and optimize a site in the best way possible. This is plugins you need to install, the first page, the content. This is more of the on-page side. The images, the videos, how to upload images in the best way possible, the external and internal link building strategies that you need to do, featured images, service areas, contact pages, terms and conditions. This is to give your site a little bit of more trustworthiness in Google's eyes. Basically everything you need to do to get your site set up in the more technical aspect. So that being said, the next video is going to be the first part, so it's going to be this one right here. If you already have it set up, you can skip it and go straight to the second part. If not, I recommend you do it. And yeah, I'll see you in a bit.